If you want to have something, then you have to start feeling or acting in a way that allows it. This is the principle of be, do, and have. Who do you have to become, or what do you have to do to have the things that you desire? So if you want to be rich, you have to start acting like you're rich and doing the things that lead to your success. But when you've been dabbling with this idea of unsuccess and doing it for a while, then there's only one reason why. You can't overcome how you really feel with the words you're saying. So it's truly necessary that you actually find something you feel good about, something that you feel abundance and prosperity about always, and rest into that feeling first. And when you own that feeling and trust that the universe or the law of attraction is acting on your behalf, then you can remain clear and open about it and begin to see the evidence of it coming into your experience. But if you're feeling any lackful thoughts of not enough money, not enough resources, then the best thing you can do is focus on something that is strong and stable in your experience and demonstrate your abundance in that way, whether that be an abundance of skill and knowledge, your health and wellness, or the strength of your relationships and ability to connect to others and yourself. Feel your prosperity and abundance of just good feelings that come from focusing on what you already have, and then allow that positive thought momentum to start carrying you towards better and better feeling thoughts, actions, and moments, using this more easy flowing general statements that allow you to get focused on the feelings first instead of the details and the doubts or worries that may arise with them. So when you're always able to start with something that you already believe in and are, no matter what, confident in that, then you can solidify your understanding of where you are and create more momentum off the start. Because the universe and world is based off this law of attraction. And if you start in a positive state, then you can really realize this belief that you're doing it, you're doing well, and you know you have the ability to move your thoughts, feelings, and actions in a way that's helping you manifest in your experience. And as everything is always changing and you're kind of riding this roller coaster, you can't really get it wrong or truly get it done because it always continues going on. There's always more choices, more decisions, more opportunities to improve. So when you make peace with the gap between what is here and now and what is wanted, then you can be in a more gain mentality and look at how you're moving forward more freely. So allow yourself to get on these like rampages of abundance and appreciation where you simply start to look at the things that you can easily and generally appreciate. Look at who you are and who you want to become and see how this process is constantly narrowing that gap. And when you can rest into the good feeling thoughts more and more and listen to the information and have clarity through each and every moment because you're tuned into your emotions and knowing how you feel and just believing that your dreams are calling you and your emotions are guidance in that way, letting you know whether you're thinking and acting in alignment with your path, with what's best for you, with your truth. So when you can use phrases like, I like training my mind to feel better, I like feeling clarity, I'm getting better at this, I'm training myself to feel more abundance, and watch the past patterns that are no longer serving you and shift towards more positive, you'll notice the emotions that follow or precede it. And then you can really dial in how you're using your energy because everyone has the same amount of hours in a day and we all have the same relationship to the resource of energy that we're using. But if you have all this resistance between you and who you really are, then you won't be allowing more pure positive energy to flow. So when you just know that you can't get it wrong because you're always growing, and then embrace life with that mindset of growth, learning, love, appreciation, more knowledge and understanding coming in, then you can flow through each and every experience with the freedom and inspiration that leads to more success and you sustaining that success. So it really comes down to having an emotional awareness combined with your ability to think logically, rationally, and productively, and then bounce these two off of each other and then see the results. Because when you're able to control how you feel, no matter what challenges you're facing, then you're mastering your life experience and you're able to continue to carry more positive momentum and shift your inner affirmations, your mantras, your self talk into a place of positive, knowing that you can take any subject like prosperity or abundance and money and release the resistance that you're holding on to, any of the past thoughts or patterns of thought or just beliefs that no longer serve you. And as soon as you release all resistance in this state of clarity, in this state of completely calm knowing, then you know you're on the path and you can trust that feeling and always come back to it. So if you wake up every day and choose to find that state of calmness and clarity, then throughout the day, that's how that meditative process leads to continued flow states, continued high performance, continued alignment with others, because you're in alignment with yourself and you're doing and being who you really are authentically, not trying to fake it, not trying to make it. You're actually just being and becoming who you're meant to be. So if you continue to just do this and trust that things will work out for you, that the dollars will continue to flow in ways you didn't expect, and that more and more evidence will continue to reveal itself so you know which way you can continue to take your attention, then you'll just love knowing that you can choose your path and be present in the moment and satisfied with what is, because what is just continuing to get better and better. And as soon as you start to see yourself wandering and pondering outside this path of what is wanted, what you're moving toward, and your dreams and desires, then you're truly embracing the practice. And this is where, if you need help, because there's a lot of momentum from the past, that's where you can make and break patterns of the past and breakthroughs into the new future you and what is wanted and that future vision that you're creating. And doing so with this ease and effortlessness and joy, even though you'll still be putting in the work, it won't be burning you out, frustrating, and taxing the mental and physical body every day. Instead, you can just trust that you'll be your best, enjoy each and every moment, and have this mindset of mastery where you can find your flow, make more money, and be happy along the way each and every day. So reach out if you know you've got some patterns of the past that you haven't been able to work around and you're ready to replace with more positive reframes, habits, and releasing all thought so you can start your day in the most pure, positive way.